everyone. Today we're going to be talking about brakes, more specifically a big brake kit and why you need one. So let's go ahead and get this tire off and see what we got. So what we're looking at here is the American Power Brakes big brake kit for the Jeep Wrangler. The set comes with 2 calipers and caliper brackets, a set of pads and rotors, and all the hardware you'll need to install it. So let's get into a little more detail of what this kit actually comes with. These are forged 4-pot fixed calipers. You get 14-inch 2-piece slotted rotors that don't warp for at least 10 years, and the largest off-the-shelf brake pads that are super easy to get when you need replacements. So why do you need a big brake kit? Anyone with at least 35-inch tires knows what I'm talking about when I say the brake pedal starts to fade as you come to a stop. That's because the larger tire is a lot more weight to slow down and the factory brakes just can't keep up. So what's the solution? Bigger brakes, more stopping power, means it's easier to come to a stop. As I mentioned before, these calipers have 4 pistons inside of them compared to the factory calipers that only have 2 pistons. That's double the stopping power right there. Combine that with larger brake pads and slotted 2-piece rotors for added ventilation and cooling. What does all that mean? It's going to seriously improve the performance of your braking system. Now, I've been driving with these brakes for about a month, and let me tell you, when you step on the brake pedal, this Jeep stops. I've done a few tests now to see how quickly it would come to a stop when slamming on the brakes, and if it wasn't for my seatbelts, I felt like I'd fly through the windshield. They perform much better than I expected, and it takes a lot less effort in the brake pedal to gradually come to a stop during normal braking. Now, I don't have the factory brakes anymore to show you the size difference between the rotors, but what I can show you is the size of the factory backing plate, which is the exact diameter of the factory rotors. So you can tell just how much bigger these brakes really are. I also want to point out that these kits aren't just for Jeep Wranglers. If you log on to AmericanPowerBrakes.com, you can see a wide list of vehicles that they make a kit specifically for. Again, these kits are 100% bolt-on, super easy installation, and you don't have to modify anything to make these work. So I want to thank American Power Brakes for sponsoring me and this video. I absolutely love these brakes, and I feel a lot more confident driving down the road, knowing that if I need to stop quickly or in an emergency, that these brakes won't let me down. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you have any questions or want to get your own set of American Power Brakes, leave a comment down below. As always, like this video and subscribe if you aren't already so you can stay up to date with new videos coming out. That is it. See you guys on the next one.